Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. One of the really depressing and quite upsetting things about the fallout from the COVID pandemic that we're now starting to see here in London is the number of small businesses that have had to close down during the lockdown and as a result of reduced income during the whole pandemic time. As I go around London on my bicycle or on the bus, I see lots of little bars and restaurants and clubs, often places that I used to go to, that have closed down and now been boarded up. Hundreds and hundreds of little businesses have basically gone to the wall. They've gone bankrupt. One thing that I'm really hoping and praying is that my favourite bar in the world, which is a little underground dive bar in Soho, will actually manage to weather the storm. I haven't managed to visit this bar since Christmas because it's been closed for a long period of time, and I'm desperately hoping it reopens. If you talk about a business weathering the storm, you mean that the business manages to survive through a difficult period of time. In the same way, politicians or famous people might somehow manage to weather a storm. If a politician has been implicated in a financial scandal or a sex scandal or something, and they may be facing calls to stand down, people may be demanding that they resign. They may try to weather the storm, try to survive this difficult, turbulent period. While I'm hoping that my favourite bar manages to weather the storm, I would personally be less bothered if many of our leading politicians failed to weather the storm that they're currently experiencing. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share it with your friends, your relatives, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of businesses or people that have managed to weather the storm or that have failed to weather the storm.